Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you a easy peasy line dance to a nice classic song. I know you're gonna love it. The name of the line dance is called A Woman's Love. It is a one wall dance, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in calling your line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. This is the instructional. If you want to dance along to the music, just watch till the end. Click on right here and we can dance together. So, are you ready? Let's go. So this is a one wall dance, but I'm going to teach on this wall because I want to show you something, okay? So it's going to start with a bop. A bop is like a double tap on the right, a double tap on the left. So you go right, right, left, left. That's what they call a bop. So, and then we're going to do 4 single taps. Right, left, right, left. Well, bops, okay? So we do a double bop on the right and the left, and then 4 single bops. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. And then we're going to repeat that process again. So you're doing that twice. So go back to the double. Right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So let's put it together. So we're doing the same combination twice. 5, 6, 7, and right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. All right, let me do it again, and I'm gonna give you the count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So instructors, I always tell you to count, always count out the steps. This is a nice line dance to teach your people how to count. Okay, so when you count it, tell them to count along with you. Okay, all right, now we're going to move from side to side. We're going to go right, tap, left, left, right, left, tap, right. Easy peasy. Walk it to the right. 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. All right, so far we got 3 8 counts. All right, so this probably is going to be a 32 count dance. All right, now let's go back to the top with the bop. Doing it twice, then walking to the right, and then walking to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. From here, we're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do that 4 times. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is your 4th 8 count. So the bop is, we do it twice. That's 2 8 counts. We walk to the right and walk to the left. That's another 8 count. Then we roll back 4 times. That's another 8 count. So that makes the dance a 32 count dance before we start the dance over. We start the dance over again. We at the same wall. So that makes it a 32 count, a one wall dance. Okay? Let's put it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 single. 5, 6, 7, 8 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, tap 4 left. 5, 6, 7, tap 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now check this out. This is the reason why I want to teach from this wall here. Could have easily taught from turning my back to you. but I want you to see how this dance moves back. Okay? So you don't continue. We start again. So say for instance, I start the dance again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how the dance keeps moving back? Okay, so what you do is when you start the bop over again, that's on that single, that's when you move the dance forward, okay? To keep the dance forward and not keep him rolling back to the back wall, because eventually you're going to run out of space, right? So this is what you do. So let's do it twice. I'm going to show you how to move this dance back into place. 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, single. 5, 6, 7, 8, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the top is 1, 2, 3, 4. Move up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Move up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can move up again. A little bit again to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you see what I mean? When you roll back, normally when you go back, you'll have another part of the dance that moves you forward. But the dance ends. So that's when you would take your bops, your single bops, and start moving the dance over, okay? So take that opportunity. If not, the dance is going to keep rolling back to the back of the room. You do your double, then your single. You do your double and your single. You walk to the right, walk to the left, then roll back, then you do your double, move it up on your single, just a little bit, double, you can move it up a little bit, walk to the right, walk to the left, then roll back. So that's how you keep the dance in place and moving it forward, okay? Use your single box to move that dance up. All right, that is called A Woman's Love. Meet me at the next video. Let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the BURNETTE teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.